Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Fidelity Youth account. First, let's cover who can open one. Teens between 13 and 17 years old are eligible, but a parent or guardian must initiate the account opening. The parent also needs an existing Fidelity account. You'll need documents like the teen's identification and proof of address to complete the application. The process is quick and can be done online. Once the account is set up, funding it is straightforward. Parents can easily transfer money from their existing Fidelity account. Teens can also link their own external bank account for electronic transfers or deposit checks. With funds in the account, teens can start investing in most U.S. stocks, exchange-traded funds, and Fidelity mutual funds, even with as little as $1 through fractional shares. This offers a great way to begin learning about the market. Managing the Fidelity Youth account is designed for both learning and oversight. Parents can track their teens' investments and review transactions, offering guidance as needed. The Fidelity Youth app itself is packed with educational tools and resources, helping teens understand financial concepts like saving, budgeting, and investing basics. While parents monitor, the teen ultimately makes their own investment decisions, fostering real-world financial responsibility. When it comes to accessing funds, teens can withdraw settled cash from their account using electronic transfers to a linked bank account or through their debit card. It's important to understand the tax implications. Earnings on the account may require the teen to file a tax return, or in some cases, parents may elect to include these earnings on their own return. This account transitions to a standard brokerage account when the teen turns 18. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.